This is a demo for automatic parametric Mathcad engineering calculation. It uses the New York Department of Transportation provided engineering calculation sheet as an example, which is the LFD gusset plate connection design. The link is available at dot.ny.gov for 08-001, and the Mathcad sheet generates a report of this sort. It goes from the beginning of structural design anniversary with the engineering calculation of the connections. This demo benchmark against the provided example and show the automated process and issue the same report as it's shown here. So the first thing to be done is use in this working folder to automate the design process. You need a Mathcad sheet, which is the section AA portion of that New York DOT Mathcad sheet, and you have Excel sheets that provide all the design scenarios for parametric design. In this case, we have 8 scenarios. The first design cases is based on the same number as New York DOT provided the sample example. So let's close this, and we can go from desktop Excel, executive file, double click. It shows a window, asks you to select the file. We go to the same folder to pick up this Mathcad sheet, and in this case we design for 5 scenarios out of the 8 total. Let's click print all. In this case it generates the Mathcad automated calculation book for 5 scenarios, each one with different input parameters, and it generates reports in PDF format as we show here, one after another. And once the automated generated or the calculation is done, it issues a summary of all the key outputs in this output window, and it also exports the summary, the same summary, into a text file, so that in case for any downstream reporting or engineering calculation purpose. So as we speak, we finished the 5 reports for each scenario, and the program also provides a summary of DC check of 5 scenarios, as we will get into the detail, and for each cases there will be 5 parameters of these DC checks, and the output summary is exactly the same as what you should see in the window. And let's look at the output of this automated process. This is the report, and it's exactly the same, except there are information that are provided parametrically, such as company, designer, checker, dates, and the design scenarios. And let's compare with the original New York DOT example side by side. And in this case, original New York DOT file is on the right hand side. The automated calculation result is on the left hand side. So let's compare page by page. The first page, it's exactly the same, except that the parametric calculation information is also included in the front page of this calculation book, and the rest is exactly the same throughout. The numbers may show differently due to the unit or precision shown in the calculation book, but they are exactly the same numbers. So as we go through them one by one, they are exactly the same value, and at the end of the day, the calculation has a 5 D over C ratio check, and we can see they are exactly the same as expected. So this concludes the parametric automated Mathcad design demo.